Another episode of Campfire Gourmet for Overstoked Outdoors. Yeah, we're doing jalapenos again, but we're going to kick it up a different way. This time, we're going with Firecracker Brats, Queso Brats, Jumbo Jalapenos this time. And we're going to add a little shrimp to the mix, along with 4 cheeses, and we're going to wrap it in bacon. So, a little different than the last time. Hopefully I can do a little better video. This time, just kick it up a little bit more. Half of them are going to be cut in half, as normal. Half of them, we're taking the top third off. Has to stuff in a little bit more. Almost ready for the goodness. Adds the boats. A little bit of that. There we go. Next step, our bacon wrapped stuffed jalapenos that have firecracker brats, 3 cheeses, and shrimp inside. And our fire coals are just about there.
I'm curious as to what he wants to do.
Oh yeah. Nice chiller. Start doing them up. So stay here with it. Oh, and I'm talking to the camera.